This is the Keychron M6. Normally, I always use a mouse with programmable button. My favorite is from Logitech. I always use a mouse which is like made for MMO because I do a lot of video editing. I do a lot of other things, so I also do a lot of trading. So I need a mouse with programmable switches. But now I got this one. This one have nothing. It just have like two main button, left and right, and it have dual scroll. For vertical and horizontal scroll. Am I stupid? Why I bought this one? Over the years, I'm always looking for the best mouse. And this mouse is not expensive, only $50 US. But the comfort, the build, the sensor, everything is amazing. Again, this Keychron M6 is available in two sensors. This is using the PixArt 3395. Okay. It's available in 26,000 DPI and it's available on 12,000 DPI. So should we get a 26,000 DPI? No, you should not get anything 26,000 DPI unless you are using 5K. I am using a 5K monitor and mostly for the window environment, desktop environment, I only use 8,000. For gaming, sometimes I go 12,000. So mostly I never go above 12,000. But why did I bought a M6 with a 26,000 DPI? Peace of mind. Maybe tomorrow I will get an 8K monitor, then I can easily use 26,000 DPI. So here's one thing. For 2K, you don't need anything more than 8,000 DPI. For 4K, 5K, you don't need anything 12K DPI, and 8K monitor or TV, you don't need anything about 26,000 DPI. But the mouse is amazing. The only downside I can say is that I'm using a Keychron R6 mechanical blue click keyboard, and this one have a silent switches on the M6. Yeah, the M6 mouse have a silent. I wish it have some kind of loud click. But again, this is amazing for office environment. I have two mouse. I have put in one of the bank where I work as a desktop engineer and one in my home. Yeah, now I'm working as a desktop engineer. I left the telecom field. Telecom engineering are dying. Cisco, again, I can make a rhyme. Like how many, I was responsible for disposal for the Cisco equipment, like Cisco, I need to make inventory, everything, because I was a network engineer. So yeah, I dispose a lot of Cisco. Cisco is already dying, it's nearly dead. Doing a CCN, a CCNP is totally not worth it. Becoming a network engineer, yes, you can become, but the competition a lot. Job market is going down, so I just transit to desktop. Yeah, a little bit, some people will say like desktop engineer is like inferior than network. Yeah, I understand, but it pays more money than network engineer right now. Anyway, that is a story for different. So yeah, Keychron M6, the best mouse I ever used. They did not sponsor me. I wish they sponsor me. Up to right now, no one sponsor me. I am doing this YouTube thing. How many? I started in 2000. I am doing this YouTube things for more than 13 years. 13, 14 is not like 13 years I'm running this channel and no one sponsored me because nobody care about me. It's okay because I'm Yogi. I am Yogi. And again, also this one have a infinity scroll. Amazing, much better than Logitech. Again, Logitech MX mouse is the best for scrolling. This is the amazing. I just love infinity scrolling, to be honest with you. So yeah, amazing mouse. No one sponsored me. My honest opinion, in past I didn't have good experience with Keychron product, but again I think this is proven me wrong. This is amazing mouse. Bluetooth, USB-C, wired. Mamma mia. Subscribe and buy.
Jimmy stares at his screen till 3, writing lines in C++ eagerly. He loves his keyboard more than the club, fixing his bugs on his face.